Oh, hello again. Today I'm in the Nether, and I'm gonna defeat the Wither in here. There's another one there, but it didn't really work out, so it escaped. So let's try this time again. Ooh, crap. I'm gonna hit it even though it's starting to spawn. Ooh, go. Oh, God. Oh, it's about to happen. This is gonna be my second one. I'm just simply gonna kill the Wither repeatedly. Those servants of yours can't defeat me. I'm in creative mode. Once you're dead. Bye, bro. Now see what the afterlife looks like. Bye. Wait a minute, alright. Did anyone die? No. They're only here to see the commotion. Wait, can we look? You two guys are gonna see your other bros in the afterlife. Sayonara. No, I'm not gonna do it there. He can probably escape there. Oh, it does that. Oh, oops. Oh, I thought somebody was burning.
Kasama niya sinang Maiso Pontilia. Maraming injured sa mga player nila. Kulang yung lineup nila, kaya kasama nila si Shikel. Ano siya? Petrogas siya. Tigo, tapos Akari, Petrogas. Ano, kalaban niya. Ano pa yung isang team? Yung isang team si Robinson. Maraming lang sinisigla. Si Banchikel.
I wonder if I could convert this into a new energy for the villagers.
Ay, PLDT si ano. Kung doon si Banchikel o kaya ay doon si Robinson sa PLDT. Si Banchikel sa Petronas. Kaya malalaki. Pati si Banchikel. Kaya, pwede pa silang kumuha na may ano siya. Tapos meron siyang yung kamag-anak na Pilipino. Kahit nga si Banchikel.
Wait, will he spawn?
Number 1. NX-led. Ito pala yung
maglalaro niya si Makas lang.
Number sila number 12 ito. Number 1 ang Trimline
Oh!
1 loss lang.
Oops! Oh gosh, what have I done?
Alam mo yung top 5 ng Ateneo. Ayan, kasama si El Bastionon.
Destroy it!
Si El Malakas din. Ateneo. Tapos nun, alam mo yung pang 6 nila doon. Kusina.
Where's it?
Yung pang 6. Kasi kaya Teptanan tsaka si Valdez. Gumawa ng Valdez. Hindi na nila pinapansin. Hindi na kaya lang siya. Pero hindi siya.
Where is she? Oh
Pero
no!
hindi sila nag-champion nun. Pero sila yung lumakas nun. Pan 5. Yun yung
I gotta get you.
Yun yung pangalan mo nun.
Ooh! Oh!
Sila na. Sabay-sabay sila. Sabay-sabay sila na-graduate. Nahilang si Valdez. Saka yung mga kasama niya. Pagkatapos ng pag-graduate sila, bilag sa
Oh!
pinakita
Oh my phone!
tinulog niya na hindi siya
Gaday! Gosh. Back up!
Sa semifinals
Back away!
Hindi, bago yan.
Hindi pa yan.
Hindi pa yan.
Hindi, parang yan na.
Hindi na.
Alam mo nila yung kalaban nila. Yan na yan.
Well,
Hindi pa.
R.I.P. to you, bro.
Quarterfinals winner, kaya QFW. Maglalaban pa yung 1-12, 2-11. Tapos yung mga resulta doon, yung sa semifinals.
Bakit number 6 ba yung ano? Number 12 ba yung sus?
Oops!
Oo. Number 12 sila. Ayan
Wait, his minions are here.
Qualifying round. Kaya Petrogas kata Capital.
Ay, number
Tapos
12
na.
Yan, no?
Oo. So 4-9, ganun-ganun.
Oh, easy kill!
Kalawang ano nila, no? Qualifier round.
Hindi ko lang alam kung best.
Robin na.
Kung
Ay, Siyempre kayo. Ba't siyang kasalo?
Hindi ko
Look
lang
at the
alam
amount
kung
of
ano sila, best of ano.
destruction.
Kailan pamigay?
I've caused.
Honeymoon.
Kung single ano lang. Kung single game lang, best of 3.
Ginawa na lang eh.
Well, I found that never spawned went with their laying on the ground.
Wala, ano lang yata, 1 game lang yata yun eh. Hindi single round ano. Yung sa semifinals pa yung ano, single round eh. Ayun ba? Ano? Malakas yung PLDT.
Lahat sila tumitira.
Ba?
I've only gotten like 9 already, so
Siguro sa
Diyan ka muna.
sabi na rin sa asawa niya. Sayang yung
I wonder how much damage this one.
sayang yung bonus. Galing kaya niya. Sa ABU. Galing sa ABU. Ano, biro na. Baka peperan sa atin yung ano niya. Lagi na.
Dito matinay.
Biro mo tingnan yung ano nila. Dami na nilang player na magaling dyan. Tapos sige pa rin.
Kahit na ng bangkutan. Hindi ka mapasok dyan. Nandiyan ka lang sa ano nila. Dahil ano mo yung volleyball.
You know what? Let's make this up to 20.
Sino?
Oh wait, I think if I spawn on wither under like that, yeah, it's gonna probably escape again. Oh!
Hosting niya.
Oh gosh, not again. What have I done?
Ano sila ano? Sila madayan sa ano? Kung saan yung liga ni ano? Ang tuligan ni ano? Ang tosa?
Ay! Ang kaya yan.
It's probably not dead. Oh my phone! Wait, what the? Think how much space will offer. Ooh, ancient debris. Bro, next time a wither escapes, it might kill me even in creative mode.
Malagyan na yun. Lalo na siguro kung personal.
As the League's 11 team, by Doc. Sa aming 11 team,
O tapos yung 11
strong group athlete.
Oo.
Yan kay head.
Yan
Kay soldier.
Well, that gives me the time to leave.
Yan.
You know, this is the end of this video. Bye. I think I might have to clean my phone first. So, finally, bye bye. Bro,
May walang
get,
ngip.
fine.